Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're taking to the skies with the best RC planes for enthusiasts of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner learning to fly or an experienced pilot looking for advanced features, these remote-controlled planes offer unmatched fun and performance. We'll review the top models, their standout features, and why they're worth adding to your collection. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready for some high-flying excitement, let's get started. Number 5. JIKEFUN FX9631 RC Plane. The JIKEFUN FX9631 RC plane is your gateway to high-flying excitement, whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting your RC aircraft journey. Packed with cutting-edge features, this remote-control airplane offers a thrilling and accessible flying experience for adults and children alike. Innovative design meets powerful performance. The FX9631 features a high-fidelity 4-channel control system, giving you precise command over left and right turns, climbs, and descents. Its brushless motor delivers powerful thrust, ensuring smooth and stable flights, even for daring aerobatics. Designed with EPP impact-resistant material, this plane can withstand tough landings, making it both durable and beginner-friendly. Seamless flying made simple. Equipped with a 6-axis gyroscope flight stabilization system, the FX9631 ensures steady and smooth flights, even in challenging conditions. Number 4. Volantex P51D Red Mustang RC Airplane. Step into the world of high-performance RC flying with the Volantex P51D Red Mustang. Combining sleek design, advanced features, and exceptional ease of use, this model is perfect for both seasoned pilots and beginners eager to master the skies. Durable design and superior performance. Crafted from high-strength EPP foam reinforced with carbon fiber, the P51D Red Mustang offers unmatched durability and stability. Its 1020 high-efficiency coreless motor provides incredible power, enabling smooth, precise flights with stunning agility. Whether you're practicing basic maneuvers or pulling off daring stunts, this airplane delivers impressive performance every time. User-friendly features for beginners. Equipped with a 6-axis gyroscope and the Spilot stabilization system, this RC airplane ensures stable and accurate flight, even for novice pilots. The intuitive one-key rollover and one-key return home functions allow beginners to execute aerobatic tricks effortlessly and safely return the plane to its starting point. The 2.4 GHz communication protocol also enables multiple planes to fly simultaneously without interference, making it great for group flying sessions. Longer flights, more fun. Number 3. Volantexrc Ranger 600 RC Aircraft. Take your RC flying experience to new heights with the Volantexrc Ranger 600. This compact and versatile RC plane is perfect for beginners and seasoned pilots alike, offering ease of control, stable performance, and thrilling aerobatic potential in one ready-to-fly package. Stable, easy-to-control flying. The X-Pilot stabilization system ensures ultra-stable flights, making the Ranger 600 easy to control and perfect for aerobatic maneuvers. Whether you're a first-time pilot or an experienced flyer, the powerful motor system and built-in 6-axis gyro stabilizer let you conquer the skies with confidence. Number 2. WLtoys X450 RC Airplane. Take your RC flying experience to the next level with the WLtoys XKS X450. Designed for enthusiasts of all skill levels, this feature-packed RC airplane combines advanced technology, rugged durability, and thrilling versatility in one sleek package. Versatile flight modes for every pilot. The X450 offers 3 unique flight modes: vertical flight mode for hovering and vertical takeoff, 6G horizontal flight mode for stable and smooth cruising, ideal for beginners, multi-rotor flight mode for experienced pilots seeking a challenge. Switch effortlessly between 3D mode for aerobatics and 6G mode for stabilized flight, ensuring an exhilarating experience for every skill level. Power and performance redefined. Number 1. DUTRIEUX QF009 RC Plane. Take flight with the DUTRIEUX QF009 RC plane, a brushless edition of the iconic Su-35 fighter. Designed for enthusiasts and newcomers alike, this remote-control glider combines power, durability, and precision for an unmatched flying experience. Advanced performance for thrill seekers. Equipped with 1503 brushless motors, the QF009 delivers exceptional thrust and efficiency. Whether you're soaring through the skies or executing complex aerobatic maneuvers, this RC plane is built to perform. The 4-channel proportional remote control offers seamless hybrid control, while the 6-axis gyroscope ensures ultra-stable flights even in challenging conditions.
Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.